Alright, College is crossing. It is flooding over the bridge, as you can see behind me. We've got the boys in blue, they're here looking after the road, keeping everyone safe. Have a great day. Talk soon.